How to fix video being processed on TikTok. First up, open up the App Store in your phone and then search up TikTok in the search bar that you can see. Click on the TikTok app icon, and as you can see, I right now have the open option here. But in case you have an update option instead of the open option, click on update and let the app update to the date. If your app is updated and the video is still processing, make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connected. If the Wi-Fi is not working, you also have a cellular data option that you can connect to. Also, make sure that your Bluetooth connection is turned off, as this might sometime hamper your network connections. As you can see right now, I have my VPN option turned on. If your internet is not safe and not secure and not working properly, you can also turn on your VPN and then check if your TikTok videos are being processed anymore or not. And this is how you can easily fix your video being processed on TikTok problem. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.